see tons of people just running in our direction. And so all my coaches were just yelling, run.
Chaos today at a cheerleading camp in Dallas, Texas, where a loud noise resembling gunshots prompted a stampede. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Rascone.
And I'm Garna Mejia. Several Utah teams were there. News specialist Emma Benson joins us live with their reaction. Emma, just a frightening situation.
Oh, yeah, very traumatic. Now, Dallas police say there was no active shooter. It was a fight, actually, between two people that led to multiple poles being knocked over, creating that loud noise. Now, I spoke with the mother and daughter today who are in Dallas, who were in the building at the time and are understandably pretty shaken up.
It was just total pandemonium, and we didn't know where our kids were.
South Jordan residents Carrie Treasure and her 13-year-old daughter Devin have been in Texas since Thursday for Devin's cheer competition. What they experienced today, they could have never expected.
You could tell there was panic and someone just yelled, "There's an active shooter."
At around 1 p.m., officers responded to an incident at a convention center in downtown Dallas where thousands of people were in attendance for the National Cheerleaders Association All-Star Championship. Carrie and Devin were in separate rooms at the time.
At first, I didn't know what was happening because my coaches were just telling me to run.
Carrie saying she and others hid in a bathroom before evacuating outside, eventually able to reunite with her daughter.
I can't even put into words. It was just a huge relief.
At 2:41 p.m., Dallas police posted on X saying no shooting occurred, but multiple non-life-threatening injuries happened during the chaos.
Everybody's tripping and falling.
A terrifying ordeal. But these girls are keeping their spirits up.
I guess it would be fair to at least just say how grateful we are to our coaches who took these girls under their wings and made sure that they were safe.
Now, activities were suspended for the rest of the day, but event organizers say the competition will continue tomorrow. 13-year-old Devin telling me that she's worked really hard and she wants to see it through. Reporting live, Emma Benson for KSL 5 News. Garna?
Thank you, Emma. We're so grateful everyone is okay.